What was that?
Tell me when you're videotaping.
I'm sorry, what?
Tell me when you're videotaping.
Oh, we've been videotaping.
What?
Go.
Okay, fine. So this is my solar system project. Did the sun, which is this gigantic giant ball of burning gas. Mercury, Venus. Oh my gosh. Mercury. Mercury is 36 million miles from the sun. It's the closest planet to the sun. It takes 88 days to orbit around the sun. It does not have any moons whatsoever. It has almost no air. Now, Venus. It's 67 million miles from the sun. It's the second planet from the sun. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. It's called Earth's sister. It's because it's the same size as Earth. See?
Seriously?
Mm-hmm. It does not have any oxygen. Earth, which you might know a whole lot about Earth. Earth takes 93 million miles. It's 93 million miles from the sun. It's the only planet with people living on it. It's the perfect planet for people to live. It has lots of oxygen. It's covered in 75% oxygen and 25% land.
75% oxygen? Or?
Oh no, my gosh. Oh my gosh. 75% water.
Oh.
And 25% land. I'm very sorry, person who's videotaping.
That's okay. Keep going.
Now here's Mars. It's a very small planet, but it's bigger than Mercury. It is 146 miles. Wait. Oh, what? 146 million miles from the sun. It has a volcano bigger than Mount Everest. It's the fourth planet from the sun. It's called the Red Planet. Now, the asteroid belt. We don't have any info about the asteroid belt.
Do you want to give some info about the asteroid belt?
Yes.
Okay.
The asteroid belt separates the regular planets to the gas giants. So these are really big planets, and these are small planets. That's why they're called gas giants.
Man, you're kind of like Bill Nye.
Mm-hmm. So here comes the biggest planet in our whole solar system. Planet. Sun. I know, but sun is sort of like a star. This is a planet. Okay. Jupiter. It's 483 million miles from the sun. It's the biggest planet in our solar system. The fifth planet from the sun. It's called... What's called the red planet? Oh, no. It has a large storm. It has a storm bigger than Earth.
Is that a fact?
Yeah.
Wow.
So here's Saturn.
Saturn?
Saturn's my favorite planet because of the
Saturn?
ring. Uh-huh. Saturn. Here's Saturn. This one's my favorite planet because of the rings.
Those rings are awesome, by the way.
Mm-hmm. It's 888 million miles from the sun. It's the sixth planet from the sun. It has rings of ice and dust. And it's the second biggest planet in our solar system. That's why we use gigantic foam balls for Jupiter and Saturn. So, Uranus. 1,784 million miles from the sun. Its planet is tilted. Now, if I would have added rings, then that would have been proof. But never mind that. It's the coldest planet. Okay, Neptune. 2,700 2,794 million miles from the sun. The furthest from the sun. It's called the blue planet. Now here's the Kuiper belt. It separates the solar system from the whole galaxy.
Wow.
This is the Kuiper belt. It's probably hidden in Mom's writing, but over here.
Oh.
Now I can't do the whole thing because we have a small thing of poster board plus. It's right up there. If it would be in the middle, could have done it like this.
Let's show the camera up close on the solar system here. Go ahead, you point them out.
So, make sure they're able to read it. So here's the sun.
Uh-huh.
Here's Mercury, Venus, Earth. You might know what Earth looks like.
Uh-huh. It's a mighty good Earth.
Mars. Now, asteroid belt. Okay, you might not be able to see
You
the
can't
asteroid.
really see the asteroid belt.
Okay. Jupiter, jump
Oh,
in.
there it is.
Jump in Jupiter, right there. Now here's Saturn.
Saturn?
Saturn.
Man, look at those rings. That is a beautiful Saturn.
Now Uranus. Now here comes the last planet. It's very cold, but it's not as cold as Uranus.
Yeah, look how dark.
Neptune. Now, cut tape. Woo!
All right, one more.
Now that is a whole solar system, but flat amigo.
Nice job.
And the credits are the solar system project was made by me and my mother. Point at my mother. This is Lucy and I'm Aiden. I hope you had a good time watching this and you could put it on for your friends. Remember, it'll always be on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.